time in the morning section does the court intend to sit? In other words, when do we break for lunch? When do we come back? If we break for lunch at all, we are in your lordship's hands.
I think it would be prudent for us to break at 1 and come back at 2.
Thank you.
Yes. Senior Counsel Paul Muite, we would like to know how many will be addressing us so that we allocate time.
For the 8th counsel appearing for the petitioner, the first petitioner. My lords, your ladyship, bearing in mind that the first petitioner is the subject of the impeachment, the main pleader in these proceedings, we have divided the highlighting of the submissions amongst the 8 of us. Perhaps my learned friend, Senior Counsel Gachagua and myself will take a little longer than the others. But the plea I'm making with what I'm saying is to plead with the court to bear in mind that this is the first opportunity. The petitioner, first petitioner, is having for stating his case. I plead that he be given adequate time. Thank you.
So what are you proposing?
I am proposing, in other words, my lords, that you kindly allocate me 1 hour give or take, and Elisha Ngoya 2 hours give or take, and the others 30 minutes give or take. That will be adequate for us. In fact, this Honorable Court had indicated when we last appeared before the court that we would have today for the petitioner's case. And because there are many petitioners, I was just saying the person most affected is the first.
My lord and my lady, on our part, the third petitioner would request to be given 1 hour.
If you may please the court, the money for the petitioner will just take 20 minutes to let us finish.
Lordships, between myself and my brother Sakimpa, will equally need 1 hour.
Even as we left the submission, bear in mind that the day has so many
We endeavor to make it shorter.
All right. I think we will proceed on the basis that we will give you as much time as humanly possible to begin a day.
We agree. Hello? May I start now?
Yes.
My lords, your ladyship, the court will recollect that when we last appeared before this noble court on the 24th of February 2025, I stated to this noble court on record, on behalf of His Excellency regarding Gachagua, that he was abandoning his prayer for reinstatement as Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. To that end, His Excellency regarding Gachagua amended and served his re-amended petition dated 13th of August 2025, in which further re-amended petition, he abandoned the prayer for reinstatement. I wish again, my Lords, your leadership, to reiterate that position on record. My Lords, the prayers of the first petitioner are set out in prayers A to R in the said further amended petition, which, as I have said, is dated 13th of August 2025. The core of those prayers can be summarized as follows. One, the question, if this court agrees with our submissions, the question of the unconstitutional impeachment. Number two, payment of the remuneration he would have otherwise earned, plus, of course, all the benefits as per the law. Finally, for the period of 2.5